In order to receive inventory at your dispensary, all you need to do is utilize the Lucid Retail Mobile and create Virtual Manifest functionality. First, tap on the Create Virtual Manifest button. Then select your dispensary and tap Create Virtual Manifest. You'll enter in your metric manifest ID here. Then scan the case IDs into the manifest. You'll see that when scanning in each case, it shows you what's in it and how many units are in it. Once you're complete, you can tap the Done button, and it will present you with all of the information that you need to verify the received inventory. You'll see here that at the top of each of the line items on the manifest, there is a package UID that's automatically imported from the case ID data. An expiration date that clearly indicates when this product is set to must be used by, the product information, and the quantity of that product. Once you're happy with the information that you've scanned in and you've received your inventory using Lucid Retail Mobile, you can complete the process. You can also add additional cases to the order by using the Scan Additional Case IDs button. Once you've completed scanning your cards into your Lucid Retail Mobile Virtual Manifest, you're done. Our zero-click inventory importing process automatically associates your case ID with the inventory package that it belongs to, and that all happens automatically in the background. After you receive your cases in Lucid Retail Mobile, you can then receive your shipment in metric and then import your receiving into Dutchie, and you'll have an inventory record with the right quantity of units and a matching package ID. You can see here that after a few minutes, we've already associated the Lucid Green Case ID with this inventory record without having to do any additional work at all. It will just show up automatically. In fact, if we go into this inventory record, you can see a message that there was one case ID that was automatically associated with this package UID within the last 24 hours. And here, if we click on the One Case ID button, you can see the product and all of its information, the digital COA, which is available immediately for download. This is also automatically archived for you using Lucid Retail, and you can see the case ID that was imported automatically for you. Additionally, you get to see exactly how many units are in the case ID and how many are detected as being remaining in your inventory. Once the case ID is automatically received in Dutchie, it is shelf-ready and can be placed immediately out on the floor just by transferring the inventory to the front of house. Using Lucid IDs for scanning at checkout is as simple as merely scanning the Lucid ID. As you can see, by scanning the Lucid ID, it automatically pulls in the correct item from the correct package. If we scan another item into the cart from that package, it will increase the quantity automatically. If I try to scan the same item into the cart, it will give us an error because that item has already been scanned into the cart. So if I want to remove an item from a cart, I can simply click the Remove the Lucid ID button and then scan the Lucid ID to uniquely remove that item from the cart. You can see here the cart has gone down to 1 unit for this particular package. Lucid IDs can also help differentiate from different packages of the same exact product being scanned into a cart. If I scan another of the same exact item from the same exact shipment, but with a different package ID, it will automatically differentiate it and find the right inventory record. We're here to support you at every step by enabling the cannabis industry to work smart.